Chihuahua introduction. Chihuahuas are cute and cuddly, but they can be demanding pets. If you are considering owning one, it's important to understand what the breed requires in terms of care and training. Here are some tips for raising this unique dog. What you need to know about Chihuahuas. Chihuahuas are small dogs, and they can live in an apartment just as easily as they can in the backyard. They are very friendly and affectionate. They are not good guard dogs, so you should never leave them alone outside if it is dark. Chihuahuas have very high intelligence levels, which means that they will learn quickly how to do whatever task you put in front of them. However, this also means that your dog may become bored if there isn't enough stimulation around him/her or lack thereof. If you're worried about boredom, then consider getting another dog or adding toys into your home. How to choose a Chihuahua. Choosing a Chihuahua is not as difficult as you might think. There are several things that you should consider when choosing your new companion, including social. A friendly, social dog will be happy to see you at any time of day and will sleep on your bed at night if it's available. A shy dog may be afraid of people or other animals, so he needs more time alone than his friend who isn't scared by anything. Healthy. The best way to know if they're healthy is checking their eyes. If there's any redness around them or blood vessels visible in the whites, which means an eye infection, then get rid of them immediately. Also look out for any signs of skin problems like scales or scabs. They could indicate inflammation caused by fleas or parasites, which could lead into other health issues like heart failure later down the line. How to raise a Chihuahua. Chihuahuas are very energetic and playful, so it's important to train them from a young age. They need to be trained to walk on a leash and not jump up on people. Chihuahuas are affectionate, sociable dogs that bond quickly with their owners. They'll love you no matter what. Chihuahuas can be trained to do tricks like sit, dance, or roll over. Diet for a Chihuahua. Chihuahuas are very small dogs, and they don't need much food. If your Chihuahua is fed a high-quality dry dog food, the likelihood of dental problems will be greatly reduced. Because of their small size and high metabolism, Chihuahuas should be fed twice per day, morning and evening. Grooming a Chihuahua. To make sure your Chihuahua is clean, brush them regularly. It's best to brush them every day or two, but if you find that their coat gets too tangled or matted, try brushing them less often. The best type of brush for a Chihuahua is an all-purpose grooming tool with soft bristles like this one. You can also use a human toothbrush or sponge if you prefer something softer on your pet's fur and skin than what we recommend here. Bathe your pup as needed by gently massaging shampoo into the coat until there are no white areas left visible. Rinse thoroughly, then towel dry completely before putting him back in his bed, where he'll enjoy sleeping peacefully while being cared for by his owner. Exercise for a Chihuahua. Chihuahuas are very active, and they need to be taken on a regular walk. They love running around and meeting new people, so you'll want to take them for walks every day. Chihuahuas don't do well with other dogs or cats because they don't see them as threats. However, if your dog is friendly and well-behaved, then she may be okay with other pets in your home. Chihuahuas aren't good candidates for homes where there's no yard or garden space available, since they love being outdoors. This breed also has a tendency towards separation anxiety, which means that they can become anxious when left alone at all, not just during long car rides. If you want to own a Chihuahua, be prepared. If you are considering adding a Chihuahua to your family, be prepared. Chihuahuas can be demanding and require lots of attention. You need to take good care of them so that they live long, happy lives. They also require lots of grooming and exercise. More on these below. As a pet owner, it is important for you to know what kind of personality your dog has before making the commitment. If you do not have time for daily walks, or if it's cold outside during winter months, then consider adopting an older dog with fewer health issues who requires less care from day-to-day life but still requires some attention. Conclusion: choosing a Chihuahua is an exciting experience. You'll enjoy years of companionship, fun, and love. They are smart and loyal companions, but they do require some extra care that you may not be expecting. If you want to own one of these tiny little dogs, be prepared for the expensive food and vet bills in addition to your own commitment as a pet owner.